Authorizing the WorldPay REST API is a straightforward process that enables you to securely access and manage your payment data. To get started, you need to register for a WorldPay account and obtain your client ID and client secret. These credentials are used to authenticate your API requests. First, log into your WorldPay account and navigate to the developer dashboard. Here, you will find your client ID and client secret. Keep these credentials secure, as they are used to authenticate your API requests. Next, you need to choose an authentication method. WorldPay supports two authentication methods: client credentials and authorization code. The client credentials method is suitable for server-to-server interactions, while the authorization code method is used for user-centric flows. To authenticate using the client credentials method, you need to send a POST request to the WorldPay token endpoint. Include your client ID and client secret in the request body, and set the grant type to client credentials. The response will contain an access token that you can use to authenticate your API requests. For example, if your client ID is your _client_id and your client secret is your _client_secret, your request would look like this. You would send a POST request to the token endpoint with the client ID and client secret in the request body, and the grant type set to client credentials. Best practice is to handle errors and exceptions properly, and to use a secure connection when sending API requests. You should also keep your access tokens secure, and use them within the specified timeframe. In conclusion, authorizing the WorldPay REST API is a simple process that requires your client ID and client secret. By following these steps and using the client credentials method, you can securely access and manage your payment data. Always handle errors and exceptions properly, and keep your access tokens secure to ensure the integrity of your payment data.